Hurry up, Dad.
Thank you. Thank you. Good boy. Can you get that one? Oh. Good boy. And that one? Yay.
Put him on the counter even.
That one?
That one's stuck, hey, babe?
What else you got in there? That one? Yeah, good boy. Oh, two at once.
Whoa, he just turned 15 months old. He's very helpful with the dishwasher and the laundry. He's
Good
just a little
boy.
helper.
And that one?
What about that pot?
That's a good boy. Good boy.
Good job, Alexander. Is that pot, are you going to be able to get that pot?
Yeah. You going to go in after it?
Halfway after it? Okay, good boy. Close it up.
Good boy. Into the next rack now, hey?
Probably shouldn't stand on the lid. What do we think?
Oh, the Riddell. Yeah, actually the Riddell's a little bit. Whoa, there we go. That's good.
You're a good helper, Alexander. I know, it's hard to keep up.
Whoa, the glass, yeah. Good boy.
Keeping Daddy on his toes.
Can you get that one? Daddy help you? Can Daddy help you? Good boy.
You're really cute, Alexander.
Okay, we'll do the knives and stuff ourselves. Good boy.
Good helping.
Thank you. Good boy.
Good
Close it up.
job. Beep, beep, beep,
Close it
beep.
up.
Close it up.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Oh, closed.